Today we're making risotto alla Milanese, the famous saffron risotto from Italian cuisine. Creamy, aromatic and refined with delicate saffron. Are you ready to bring this Milanese tradition into your home? Place a few saffron threads into a small bowl. Alternatively, you can use saffron powder. It's more affordable and tastes almost as intense. Pour lukewarm water over it and let it steep to release its vibrant color and aroma. Melt 30 grams or 1 ounce of butter in a pan. Carefully remove the bone marrow from the bone. We're using veal marrow as in the traditional recipe for its delicate and mild flavor. Alternatively, you can use beef marrow for a richer taste. Cut the bone marrow into small pieces so it melts evenly, spreads perfectly and enhances the dish beautifully. Add it to the pan and let it melt slowly or low heat to release its full flavor. Stir occasionally to distribute it evenly. Dice an onion finely so it cooks evenly and blends perfectly. Alternatively, shallots works great for a milder and slightly sweeter flavor, ideal for this risotto. Add the onions to the pan. Saute them over low heat until they're translucent and provide a soft base for the risotto. Next, add the risotto rice to the pan. Short dramatic pause for 3 seconds. Stir it thoroughly with the fat until the grains are glossy and fully coated. Spread the rice evenly in the pan so it cooks uniformly. Gradually add the beef broth to the rice. Alternatively, homemade vegetable broth made from celery, carrots and onions works well too. Add the saffron halfway through cooking the rice. Stir it well so its bright yellow color and distinctive aroma spread evenly throughout the risotto. If you're enjoying this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Continue adding the broth little by little, making sure to add more as soon as the rice absorbs the liquid. It's important that the rice always has some liquid, otherwise it may stick to the pan and burn. Risotto alla Milanese was first mentioned in the 16th century in Milan. It's said that the saffron was accidentally used during a wedding feast and immediately impressed all the guests. Have you ever eaten risotto alla Milanese? Let us know in the comments. Finally, season the risotto with a little salt. Turn off the heat and add the remaining 30 grams or 1 ounce of butter. Grate 60 grams or 2 ounces of parmesan over it. Mix everything until it's creamy. Stir everything well until the butter and parmesan are perfectly combined with the rice. This will make the risotto absolutely irresistible. This is how your risotto alla Milanese should look. Beautifully creamy, vibrant yellow and packed with flavor. Traditionally, it's served with this recipe, ossobuco alla Milanese.